A Clearfield County woman sentenced to life in prison as a teen could now get parole. Our Allison Gens has more about the resentencing.
Jessica Holtmeyer was sentenced to life in prison for the murder of Kimberly Dotz in 1998. Now her prison time could be shortened. Because of a decision by the U.S. Supreme Court, all juveniles cannot be sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. That means Jessica Holtmeyer's case had to return to court Friday. Holtmeyer's new sentence gives her a minimum of 35 years in state prison with parole to a maximum of life in prison, with credit for time already served. Clearfield County District Attorney Bill Shaw says the judge followed what the Supreme Court now requires.
The Supreme Court has spoken, and the law is the law, and we have to follow it. So the sentence that was imposed is consistent with the recommended sentencing guidelines for Pennsylvania, and it is what it is.
When she reaches her 35-year minimum, it's up to the state parole board to determine if Holtmeyer will be released on parole.
I'm sure when the time comes, the parole board will give it the attention that it deserves. Keep in mind, that's still many years down the road before she even becomes eligible for parole.
Holtmeyer was 16 when she committed the crime she's in prison for. The next juvenile case to be resentenced in Clearfield County is that of Andrew Callahan, who was convicted of murder in 1997. There's no timeline yet on when that will take place. In Clearfield, I'm Allison Gens, WTAJ News.